Welcome everyone. The question that is shown on the screen, it is basically the question number 4 of the CBSE sample paper 2025. This is the after first three questions they have asked something from conceptual. Okay, previous three questions if you see, which are in the obviously you will see in the playlist, and that is from the calculation based, and this is conceptual based. Okay, the diffraction effect can be observed in option A sound waves only, option B light waves only, option C ultrasonic wave only, and option D sound waves as well as light waves. So in this particular case, one thing we need to know, okay, if you just read or gone through the definition of the diffraction, obviously you have learned this line, that is, it is a bending of the light wave. Okay, if you say this is the cross edge or something, if the light wave try to come from like this, like a wave, it will just encroach into the geometrical shadow. Okay, it is encroached into the geometrical shadow. According to geometrical optics, the light will only go in that direction. Okay, there is no possibility of light receiving in this region. Okay, but due to the effect of diffraction, we are also getting light in the geometrical shadow region, that means this region. Okay, that means this region, and that is the diffraction of the light wave. Okay, so in this particular case, obviously we have to think that what is the condition of the diffraction. Condition of diffraction or the bending of the light wave around the obstacle through the opening, it will happen, and it will be more pronounced. The word I want to say, that is more pronounced, that is the effect will be visible, the effect will be visible or detectable when the wavelength of the wave, that is this wave which is just incoming, this wave, wavelength of the wave is comparable to that of the size of the obstacle. Here it is the obstacle, here it is the obstacle. Sometimes this thing is happens for the opening also. Okay, just like if you say these are the regions and this is the opening, so according to geometrically it should go like this. Okay, but since I repeat again, since light shows the wave properties, so starting from here it is just is also available in the geometrical shadow regions. Okay, so it is just diverging like an water flow. Okay, if you have any problem with understanding the light wave, sound wave and all of these things, I basically referred you just try to understand it from the water wave. Okay, if the water is coming through a narrow opening, after if it have the area, it is just diverges like this, it just diverges like this way, that is diffraction. Okay, now in our surroundings, sound wave is available, light wave is available, other different types of wave is available. Ultrasonic, okay, ultrasonic whose is more than sound, infrasonic, ultrasonic. So in this particular case, obviously I will say sound wave diffraction obviously we have seen. How? Let me just rewind one thing. Just like this is a wall, okay, you are that side, you are that side, your friend is on the other side of the wall, your friend is talk something, and that sound you can listen. Okay, so obviously it is encroached into the geometrical shadow region. Okay, so sound wave obviously shows the diffraction effect, but for this case the obstacle, okay, obstacle is should be a wall, big walls. Okay, okay, but in case of light waves, you can just take, in case of light wave, if you take a very simply a cardboard, okay, light wave is coming. Okay, if you take a cardboard, okay, you will see just like most of the cases I have seen this thing in the door openings. Okay, if you think this is the door, obviously it is an wooden material through which the light cannot pass through, it is an opaque material, but we are not getting the light only in this region. Light is available also in this region also. So light wave is also showing this. Okay, so what differs? The obstacle differs. So sound wave to light wave, okay, the obstacle differs, but for the infrasonic, for the ultrasonic wave, for the ultrasonic wave, the size of the obstacle should be very, very small. Okay, and that is near to in our surroundings actually. That's why the better option that we need to choose, that we say that it will be sound wave and light waves both cases in our surroundings is you have observed. For ultrasonic wave, I repeat again, for the ultrasonic wave also you can see the refraction effect. There is no problem. But in our surroundings, the size of the obstacles that we have in our surroundings, sound wave and light wave, we have observed the diffraction. Okay, thank you all of you.